Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amelia Laraswati. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about Asperger syndrome. Do you know what is Asperger syndrome? The content to be discussed on this time are definition and etiology, then characteristic and symptom that somebody may present with Asperger's, then diagnosis and treatment. First is definition of Asperger syndrome. Asperger syndrome, also known as Asperger's, is a developmental disorder characterized by significant difficulties in social interaction and nonverbal communication, along with restrictive and repetitive patterns of behavior and interests. Then, cause of Asperger syndrome is not yet identified, although an inherited or genetic component is believed to be involved. In special case, it may cause by pregnancy infection, use of teratogens, and exposure to toxic. Then, some of the characteristics of Asperger syndrome are first, there is no speech delay in Asperger's. In fact, children with Asperger's syndrome frequently have good language skills. They simply use language in diverse ways. Speech pattern may be unusual, like lack inflection or have a rhythmic nature, or may be formal, but too loud and high pitched. Children with Asperger's syndrome may not understand the subtleties of language, such as irony and humor, or they may not understand the give and take nature of a conversation. Second, individuals with Asperger's syndrome usually want to fit in and have interaction with others, but often they don't know how to do it. They may be socially awkward, not understand conventional social rules, or show a lack of empathy. They may have limited eye contact, seem unengaged in a conversation, and not understand the use of a gesture of or sarcasm. Third is a person with Asperger syndrome cannot have a clinically significant cognitive delay, and most possess average to above average intelligence. Then, symptoms that somebody may present with Asperger syndrome. Some of the symptoms that may be present are less social active, less friends, not interest in making friends, inability to express emotion, no eye contact, less facial expression, inability to use gesture, ineffective communication, lack of relation, sensitive to external stimuli, dependent, repetitive action like arm waving, and the other. Then, diagnosis of Asperger syndrome. The first step to diagnosis is an assessment, including a true developmental and health story, psychological and communication assessment, and a diagnosis examination including differential diagnosis. Early diagnosis is also important as children with Asperger's syndrome who are diagnosed and treated early in life have an increased chance of being successful in school and eventually living independently. The psychological assessment aims at establishing the overall level of intellectual functioning, profiles of psychomotor functioning, verbal or nonverbal cognitive strengths and weaknesses, style of learning, and independent living skills. A description of results results should include not only quantified information, but also a judgment as to how representative the child's performance was during the assessment procedure, and a description of the conditions that are likely to foster if optimal and diminished performance. Then the treatment of Asperger's syndrome, such as social skills training in group or one-on-one session, therapists teach child how to interact with others and express in appropriate way. As we know that social skills are learned through training. Then second, speech language therapy. This help in developing communication skills. This therapy provides training regarding two-way conversation and social cues like hand gesture and eye contact. Third, cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT. It helps your child change his way of thinking so he can better control his emotion and repetitive behavior. Fourth, parent education and training. You will learn many of the same technique your child is taught so you can work on social skills with him at home. Some families also see a counselor to help them deal with the challenge of living with someone with Asperger. Fifth, support group, a forum for counseling and sharing experience among people with a similar condition or goal, such as depression or weight loss. So guys, if you have a question, you can write on the comment column below. So, thanks. I think it's what I supposed to say. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.